you by phone. They're gonna come by and take a look. They're gonna call you with the price. They'll call you with the and then you just give them the okay. They'll know that you guys are next door to each other without putting it out there. And so, and then when you give them the okay, they'll put you on a list. I don't, at that time they probably won't, when they call you, right? But then it'll go to the ceiling department.